Hello everyone. Again, we're gonna be talking in this video for scalping. We're continuing, with the previous video. We started talking about the scalping and how most of the videos that are out there, show you the strategy only on like 5-minute chart and 1-minute chart. But before we continue with this video, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to our channel. That really helps us a lot, to keep making those videos. But as I said, as a quick recap on what we saw on the previous video, we set our basically moving averages. We draw the important levels, where we're expecting something to happen, the price to react and eventually continue falling down. We always do that on a higher time frame. We spoke about that. We spoke why it's so important to look on a higher time frame, and from there on to go, on a 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, or on a 1-minute chart. So right now what we're gonna do is from here on we are gonna go on the lower time frame. We like to trade on the 5-minute chart, guys. So this is basically what we're gonna do. We're gonna switch to a 5-minute chart, and from there we're gonna be looking from a bounce of this green moving average. You see these levels here. So this shows us that this is a strong level, and the price most likely will respect this level. So that's why we are gonna be looking now for entries. This is what we do, looking for important areas of support, resistance, or bounce of those moving averages. And when we go down on a lower time frame, we just look for a good entry, and this is basically quick entry and exit. So here when we do scalp, guys, of course we go for very few pips. We're now on the 5-minute chart, and as you can see, the price here it looks as an uptrend. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna wait for the green moving average to cross the red moving average, and from there we're gonna be looking to short the Euro USA dollar. So basically, as of now, we can't really do much, and this is actually a good example for you guys. If you're only looking at the 5-minute chart, probably you'll be looking here to go long, and that would be extremely wrong, because on the higher time frame we're actually looking at the downtrend, and we expect the price to start falling. But you see for yourself, we just have to wait here and wait for the price, and eventually when the moving averages get crossed, we can enter with a short position. But like I said, let's see. Okay, little later, guys, we saw this cross of the moving averages, and that was a signal for us that the price is going to go down, and we open our position. You see that we set our take profit and stop loss. Now what you can do here, what we usually like to do, and we suggest you to do as well, when your position is already in profit, we like to move our stop loss. Like you can see here, this is a perfect example. We always like to move our stop loss and guarantee some profit. It is always to collect some profit rather than loss, right? So what you can see here at this exact moment is that we are really close to our take profit. So for most of you guys, I would suggest that you can even close this position. This is a good moment. You don't always have to wait for your take profit to get hit. In our case, we manage our trades. We know when it's better to close a position, or when it's good to keep it. So after the analysis that we did on a 1-hour chart, we believe that there is a high probability that the price will keep going down, so we're gonna keep this one. But if you decide that you don't want to stay in this trade, then you close it out. It's not wrong, guys. This is actually a good decision. You better collect your profits and then wait for another opportunity when you can enter, So let's see, after we keep this trade, let's see what the price will do. Okay, so we are basically few minutes later, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes later, you can see the price will start falling really nice. You see the moving averages are crossing and it's getting sharply, which is a good sign that shows us that the price probably will continue going down. But in this case, a lot of you would make a mistake and probably try to open another short trade, guys. Don't do that. I know that a lot of people, when they see those big red candles, they will expect the price to keep falling, but what we want to do here is wait for another retracement. We want to see the price go back to the green moving average, and from there we can open another position. Now we're moving forward, and you can see we have opened 2 more positions. Our stop losses are set already. The take profit, you can really see it from here. But why do we open those 2 positions? You can see the the big green candle that touches the moving average, and right after that we have a big bearish candle. So that was the moment when we decide that we're gonna open another sell positions. So what we are gonna do here is probably we're gonna wait for the price to reach right over there where the U on our logo is, and we're gonna close the positions. Okay, moving on, you can see, guys, this candle actually hit our take profit. The price just fall down and then went right back up, but that was enough for us to collect our take profit. There was another opportunity right around here with this retracement, and you see this huge red candle. That was a good opportunity for us to take another sell position. Unfortunately, we missed that one, but as you know, there is always going to be another position, so you cannot take all the positions in the market, and like we like to say, there is going to be a market tomorrow, so don't worry if you miss any position. But guys, that was everything for this video. If you have any questions, please go on the comment section below, ask us questions, or let us know what type of scalping strategy do you use and how it works for you. But that was everything for this video. We're gonna continue with some more information in the next video. Bye bye.